We're from ninth standard. Today we're here to present our topic on the Indian river system. Before going into the topic, let us know what we are going to discuss today. We are going to discuss about what is a drainage basin, what is a water divide, about Himalayan and peninsular rivers, about the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea drainage, about the role of rivers in our economy, and about river pollution. Next, as we can see, this is the Indian physical map. We can see that many rivers are flowing in India. Some rivers are flowing towards east side, while some rivers are flowing towards west side. Some rivers are getting mixed into the Bay of Bengal, while some rivers are getting mixed into the Arabian Sea. So let us know first of all what is a drainage basin. A drainage basin is an area of land where rainwater collects and drains into a place. All the main streams gets mixed into these bigger water bodies. From this picture we can see that many tributaries are getting mixed into a main river and then it is getting drained into a bigger water body. It can be a sea, it can be an ocean.
Water divide. Water divide is a highland or ridge that separates two rivers or drainage basin. It decides which river water will join. Mountains, hills or uplands often attach water divides. We can see from the picture there are two rivers and a highland is dividing them. It can be a hill or a mountain. Himalayan rivers. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra are the major Himalayan rivers. Snow-fed and perennial rivers. Snow-fed means the snow from the Himalayas gets melted and gets mixed into these rivers. Perennial rivers. These rivers flow all through 365 days. Himalayan rivers are originate from high Himalayas. Yamuna, Gagra, Gandak are the major tributaries. Peninsular rivers. Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi are the major peninsular rivers. Some rivers flow towards east into the Bay of Bengal. Some rivers flow towards the west into the Arabian Sea. These are called seasonal rivers. That means they flow depends on the season. In summer season or winter season their flow is low, while in monsoon season their flow is high.
Okay, now that she has told about Himalayan and peninsular rivers, let me tell you the major Himalayan rivers. The first one is the Indus River. The Indus River's origin is in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. Its flow is 3,180 kilometers. This is the map of the Indus River and this is an example of the Indus River. It flows through Ladakh and Pakistan. The main tributaries of Indus River are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias and Satluj. It finally drains into the Arabian Sea. It is a west flowing river. And fun fact about Indus River is that India got its name due to this river and Indus Valley civilization has started here. Next, the Ganga River. Ganga is considered the most holiest and sacred river in India. Its flow is 2,525 kilometers. It is a east flowing river. It finally drains into the Bay of Bengal and its important tributaries are Kosi, Gandak and Gagra and Yamuna. Next, the Brahmaputra River. This is the map of the Brahmaputra River. The Brahmaputra River's origin is in Tibet near Lake Angshi Glacier and its flow is 2,900 kilometers. We can see that it is a snow-fed river as well as rain-fed. So its flow is very high and it finally drains into the Bay of Bengal. The states that it goes through are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and the country Bangladesh. We can see from this big diagram that it flows in India as well as in Bangladesh. So fun fact about Brahmaputra river is that it is called Yalung Sangpo in Tibet and during monsoon season in Assam, the river's width increases due to the rains and the width gets up to 10 kilometers causing frequent floods in Assam. It causes economic crisis. Next, let us go for the peninsular rivers. The first river is Narmada River. Before knowing about this river, we know that peninsular rivers are mostly east flowing rivers, but there are two west flowing rivers. The first one is the Narmada river. We can see that this is the map of the Narmada river, and it finally drains into the Bay of Bengal as it is a west flowing river. So the origin of the Narmada river is in Amarkantak Plateau, and the states that it goes through are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. It drains into the Arabian Sea, and the Sardar Sarovar Dam has been built on this. Next, the Tapi River. The Tapi River is also called the Tapati River. This river is also a major west flowing river. It also goes through the states Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. As we can see, this is the map of the Tapi River, and this is the example picture of the Tapi River. It drains into the Arabian Sea. It helps millions of people for irrigation as well as for cultivation. Next, the Krishna River. The Krishna River is an east flowing river. Its origin is in Mahabaleshwar near the Western Ghats. We can see that it flows into the Bay of Bengal as it is a east flowing river. This is the example picture of the Krishna River. The Nagarjuna Sagar has been built on this river. As we can see, this is the picture of the Nagarjuna Sagar, and this is the map of the Krishna River. Next, Godavari River. The Godavari River is called the Dakshan Ganga due to its importance and its sacred. As we can see, this is the picture of Godavari River near Rajahmundry, and this is the map of the Godavari River, and it empties into the Bay of Bengal as it is an east flowing river. So the states that it goes through are Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha.
Kaveri River. Its origin is in Talakaveri in Karnataka. It flows eastward direction. It flows through the states Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It's drained into the Bay of Bengal. Next river, Mahanadi River. Its origin is in Chhattisgarh. It flows eastward direction. It flows through the states Chhattisgarh and Odisha. It drains into the Bay of Bengal.
Next, I am going to talk about a crucial problem that we are facing nowadays, that is river pollution. Rivers are our lifelines. We are living because of water. So, but nowadays these rivers are getting polluted. If they get polluted, then in future we cannot drink from these rivers and it might cause many problems. So, the major factors that are affecting the river pollution are the first one, untreated sewage. Untreated sewage means due to urbanization and industrialization, many industries have been built on river banks, and these industries throw untreated sewage. That means waste water which turns these rivers into chemical rivers, which causes many problems if it is consumed. Next one, the industry. Next, the industrial waste. As I've told before, the factories are throwing many bad things and very toxic chemicals into these rivers, and these are causing more problems for aquatic life. Next, agricultural runoff. As we know, nowadays due to modern farming, farmers are using pesticides, weedicides, fertilizers for growing more yield, for getting more yield and growing more crops. But these pesticides are affecting our river. How? These pesticides gets mixed into the groundwater, and as the groundwater gets infected by these pesticides, the rivers are getting polluted, and many organisms living in these rivers are getting affected. If a person drank this water, they might get many diseases. 20% of communicable diseases are from these many polluted rivers. Next, the pollution. As we know, nowadays river pollution is high. People are throwing many unwanted things into these rivers, plastic things and everything that are throwing into these rivers. It is a bad. So if these rivers get polluted, then our future generations might not have our rivers as they are now. They might get many untreated and so much polluted rivers, and they cannot use it very properly. So we should save our rivers. And the last one, due to the overusing of rivers flow is getting very less. And if these rivers are getting dried up, then we cannot use them in our future. It is a very crucial problem. We should all remember to save our rivers. If we save water today, then these rivers might save us tomorrow. So let us all remember to save rivers from now on. I would like to conclude my topic. We have learned about the importance of Himalayan and peninsular rivers for Indian geology, economy, and geography, and for the challenges like pollution and for untreated sewages, and the importance of sustainable water management and conservation. I thank our school for giving me this golden opportunity.